What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move Bitcoin from Cash App to Coinbase in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we're going to do here is tap into our Coinbase application. Next, we'll tap on Transfer. Next, we'll tap on Receive. And here you can choose from the selections below. I'm going to tap on Bitcoin Default. To transfer from Cash App, we're going to copy the address here. And then we're going to go to our Cash App application. You'll tap the bottom left corner where the money is. You'll tap on Bitcoin. And then you'll tap on the double arrows to the right. You'll tap on Send Bitcoin. You'll type the amount of Bitcoin you would like to send. And then you paste in the Bitcoin address that you copied from before. You can also add a note down below for whatever the transaction is for. After you've pasted your address and added your note, you'll tap on the Next, and then allow time for the transaction to process. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you move Bitcoin from Cash App to Coinbase quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any ideas or questions for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.